Yes, students, today we are starting the topic of trigonometry and what is trigonometry? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry means it's a combination of three Latin words, trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means corners, metry means calculation. Calculation of three corners is called trigonometry, right? Here, in question number 1, a triangle is given and it is a right angled triangle because here is a 90 degrees. This is a 90-degree angle, right? Now, we have to calculate the unknown side. We have to calculate the unknown side. The sides A, B, C are here. Must keep in your mind that the opposite to 90 degrees is always called hypotenuse side. Opposite to 90 degrees always called hypotenuse side. And if only 90 degrees is given in the triangle, कोई और एंगल आपको गिवन ना दिया जाए, then perpendicular base कोई भी साइड हो सकती है. For finding out the side of any triangle by the help of given sides, for finding out the unknown side of any right angle triangle by the help of given sides, not by the help of given angles, by the help of given sides, we have a theorem. We have a theorem which is called Pythagoras theorem, and the theorem is hypotenuse squared equals to perpendicular squared plus base squared. अगर बच्चों साइड्स की हेल्प से कोई एक साइड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल की कैलकुलेट करना है तो हम थ्योरम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is that side which is always opposite to 90 degrees and hypotenuse is the longest side. Perpendicular base कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं in case of Pythagoras theorem. In case of Pythagoras theorem. In case of Pythagoras theorem, right? So now, I'm doing the first part. I'm doing the first part. What we have in the first part, stop working. What we have in the first part, we have to calculate the side A. According to triangle, side A is the hypotenuse side. Side A is the hypotenuse side. By using the theorem, at the place of hypotenuse, can I write it like A squared? Yes or no? Yes. Equals to perpendicular base कुछ भी हो सकती है. Perpendicular I am taking 5 and base I am taking 12. So now A squared equals to 5 squared is 25 and 12 squared is 144 plus 25 is 169. Under root of 169 is 13. So 13 is the side A. 13 is the hypotenuse side, and this is the longest side of the triangle. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hurry up, start working, do B and C. Now, question number 2. A triangle has sides PQR. Is it a right angled triangle? By the help of sides, if we have to prove that the triangle is right angled triangle, then again we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, right? Yes, boys, there. Stop working. Look at the board. Now, from PQR, which one is the hypotenuse side? Q is the hypotenuse side. Why it is the hypotenuse side? Because this one is the longest side. Right? So 17 squared equals to perpendicular base, anyone? 10 squared plus 13 squared. What is 17 squared?
49.
289. And what is 10 square plus 13 square?
269.
This is 100. And what is 13 square? 169. And 289 equals to 269. They are not same. Therefore, no, it is not a right angle triangle. Are you clear? Any confusion? No.
Sir,
Now, question number 3. Again, we have to calculate the unknown sides. Again, we have to calculate the unknown sides here in part A. In part A, if I use hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, then according to part A, what is the hypotenuse side?
11.9.
11.9 is the hypotenuse side because this side is opposite to 90 degrees equals to, I am saying that perpendicular is x and the base side is 9.1 squared. So can I say that x squared equals to 11.9 squared minus 9.1 squared. So what is x squared? What is x squared?
141.
X squared is
141.
the final answer after subtraction.
No.
What is the final answer after subtraction? $58.8. And after that, we have to take the under root of 58.8. And what is under root of 58.8?
7.67.
7.67 means 7.7.
You said those.
The side is 7.7. Clear? The side is 7.7. Are you clear? Are you बात समझ में? Any confusion? No. After that, I'm doing part C. What we have in the C part, here is a right angle triangle. Let's say I'm saying that this is A, this point is B, and this point is C, and this point is D. In the triangle ABC, we have two sides given and one is the unknown side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are we able to calculate the value of x?
Yeah.
Yes. Again, by the help of right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem, 11.9 squared equals to perpendicular, I'm saying that x squared, base, I'm saying that 5.9 squared. So now, what is x squared? It is 11.9 squared minus 5.9 squared. So what is the value of x squared? 106.8. And what is the under root of 106.8? 10.3 is the value of side x. 10.3. Now, after that, in the triangle ABD, we have AB side, we have BD side, and we have to calculate the side AD, which is y. So now, I'm again using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse side is y because it is opposite to 90 degrees. So y squared equals to perpendicular is 10.3 squared plus the base is 4.1 squared. What is the answer of y squared? 122.9. Therefore, what is the value of y? 11.1 is the value of y. Are you clear? Any confusion? So we break this diagram into two right angle triangles, right? Start working and complete all the parts. Now, question number 5. A square tin of sweets has a side of length 17 centimeter, is decorated by a ribbon across one diagonal. What is the length of the ribbon? What is the length of the ribbon? अब आप देखिएगा, square है, so this one is 17 and this one is also 17. Square है, so here it is 90 degrees. We have to calculate the hypotenuse side. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is the
578.
hypotenuse square equals to 578. And what is the hypotenuse side?
0.04.
24.0 is the hypotenuse side, right? Any confusion? Hopefully, no. Now, after that, question number 6. After that, question number 6. From the corner to corner across the floor of a square to measure 182 feet, what are the dimension of the room? Dimension of the room means क्या होता है? कि calculate length and width of the room. For example, here is a square room. आपसे कहा गया from corner to corner, from corner to corner, from corner to corner, it is 182. From corner to corner, it is 182. It is a square room. So the length is equal to the breadth. Length is equal to the breadth because this is an square, right? So now, by using again Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. We have the hypotenuse side, which is 182 square equals to perpendicular is x, base is x. Can I say that 2x square equals to 182 square is 33,124 divided by 2 is 16,562. And what is x by taking under root?
128.7.
129. So therefore, the dimension को लिखा जाता है length multiplied by breadth से. So what is the length of the room? 129. What is the breadth of the room? 129. This is the dimension of the room. Are you clear?
Dimension.
Dimension is length into breadth. So what is length? 129. And what is breadth? The same 129 because of the square room. Clear? Dimension को ऐसे लिखा है, right?
Yes.
Now, after that, start working on question number 7. Now, students, next worksheet number 46. In this, angles are also given. Different angles are also given. In the previous worksheet, हमारे पास सिर्फ sides given थी, लेकिन यहाँ पर angles भी given दिए जाएंगे. By the help of angles, we have to find different lengths. उसके लिए हमारे पास कुछ फॉर्मूला हैं और वो फॉर्मूला क्या है? For example, a right angle triangle here. For example, a right angle triangle is there. Here it is 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse side. Opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse side. And if the angle is this, angle x, this side is called opposite side, or we can call it perpendicular side. And this side is called base side, or we can call it adjacent side of the angle, right? जो एंगल के साथ होगी वो adjacent side होगी और जो एंगल के सामने होगी वो opposite side होगी, right? So according to this, we have 3 ratios. The first ratio is the ratio of sine. Sine x equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine x equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Now, and after that, cos x equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan x equals to opposite over adjacent. These are the 3 ratios. By the help of these ratios, we are able to calculate angles and sides of right angle triangle. One more condition we have. हम इसको एक different तरीके से भी याद रख सकते हैं. Sin x equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos x equals to base over hypotenuse. And tan x equals to perpendicular over base. We have two sentences to memorize these ratios. The first sentence is so ka toa. The first sentence is so ka toa, right? इससे हमें याद हो जाएगा कि which ratio is where, right? And the second one is some people have curly brown hair, still painted black, right? This is the second sentence to memorize the second type of ratios. According to these ratios, we have to solve. According to these ratios, we have to solve the questions. Now, let's say question number 1A. In this, we have to calculate the side PQ. In this, we have to calculate the side PQ. Now, side PQ is the opposite side of the angle. And what is the given side? The given side is hypotenuse. So, the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse we have to use in this, right? So now it will be sine 24 equals to opposite is PQ and the hypotenuse is 11.9. So the PQ side is 11.9 sine 24. Now you have to calculate the value of PQ. Calculator must be in degrees. Calculate the side. What is the side? .84. 4.8 is the side PQ. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, after that, I'm doing question number 2B. Here, we have to calculate angle. Angle R. For angle R, we have the opposite side. And from 90, we have hypotenuse side. Again, we have to use sine R equals to opposite is 3.1 divided by hypotenuse is 11.2. And if we have to calculate the value of R, then R is equals to sine inverse of 3.1 divided by 11.2. By the help of calculator, we have to use shift sign in the bracket 3.1 divided by 11.2 and the answer is 16.1 is the result. Are you clear? Hopefully there is no confusion in this. So start working, do question number 1 and question number 3. Okay, students, now question number 5. A diagram is given. We have to calculate X and Y, right? So now, if we focus on this triangle, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. If we focus on the triangle ABC, so we are able to calculate X by the help of angle 38. Opposite is given, and we need to calculate the hypotenuse side. So use sine 38 equals to opposite 11.1 divided by the hypotenuse is X. So what is the value of X? By cross multiplication, 11.1 divided by sine 38. So what is the answer? 18.02. 18 is the result for X, and after that, in the triangle ADC, we have to calculate the value of Y. The two lengths are given. The X is 18. The two length here, X is 18, hypotenuse is given, and we have to calculate the opposite side. So again, by the help of sine 17 equals to opposite side is Y divided by hypotenuse is 18. So Y equals to 18 sine 17 So what is the value of y?
0.26.
5.26 is the value of y. Are you clear? Any confusion? Hopefully there is no confusion in this. Start working and do question number 7. Okay, students, now question number 8. Draw in the altitude AD, hence find angle BAC. First, we have to draw a straight line. First, we have to draw a straight line here. This is called altitude, the height of the triangle. And this will make an angle of 90 degrees. And at this point is called point D. It's an isosceles triangle. The left side is 14.2 and the right side is also 14.2. We need to calculate angle BAC. We need to calculate the complete angle A. The complete angle A. If we break the triangle, like here it is A, the angle A. Here it is A, here it is D, and here it is B. If we break the triangle like this, so what is the length BD? 8.4 divided by 2. It is 4.2. And what is this length? 14.2. Are we able to calculate the small angle A? Yes, we are. And by the ratio of opposite, and here it is 90 degrees, hypotenuse, by the ratio of sine. Sine A equals to opposite 4.2, hypotenuse is 14.2. So A is equals to sine inverse of 4.2 divided by 14.2. So what is the answer? 17.2 is angle small a. Therefore, the complete A angle is twice of angle A. So 17.2 multiplied by 2 is 34.4 is the complete angle A. Are you clear? Any confusion? No.
Sir,
Now, after that, the last question of the exercise, question number 9. PQ and PR are tangent to the circle. PQ and PR are tangent to the circle. And what is a tangent? Tangent is a line which makes 90 degree with radius of the circle or with diameter of the circle, right? Here are the two tangents. Calculate the length of the chord QR. We need to calculate the length of the chord QR. And what is the chord? This one. First, this one is QR. Sorry. Length of the chord QR. This, we need to calculate this is straight QR. Length of the chord, right? Now, how can we calculate the length of the chord QR? If I say that here is a triangle and I am breaking the triangle like this. Here it is P, here it is S, and here it is R. And like this. Can I say that this PS length is 15? Yes or no? And what is the half of 72? 36. Are we able to calculate the length SR? Yes. By which ratio? Opposite, adjacent. By the ratio of tan. So tan 36 equals to opposite SR. Adjacent is 15. So SR equals to 15 tan 36. So what is the answer? 10.9. Therefore, the QR is twice of SR. And what is the answer? 21.8 is the result. Are you clear?
I got one more question.
Are you clear? Now,